Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of feeling like you're melting in the summer heat? Well, I've got just the thing for you. The JISULIFE 3-in-1 handheld mini fan. And it's about to become your new best friend. This tiny powerhouse is not only portable and rechargeable, but it's also a pro at cooling you down. And I mean really cooling you down, with up to 19 hours of cooling time on a single charge. Just imagine the feeling of a gentle breeze on a hot summer day. It's like a breath of fresh air, and the sound of the fan is so quiet, you'll hardly even notice it's on. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. The benefits are numerous. For one, it's incredibly versatile, with a 3-stage transformable design that allows you to use it as a handheld fan or as a desktop fan. And it even has a hidden flashlight function, which is perfect for those evening walks. The fan itself is also surprisingly powerful, with a cool breeze that you can feel under skin, and the texture of the device is smooth and compact, making it easy to slip into your pocket or bag. I've used this fan on long hikes, at outdoor concerts, and even just lounging in the park, and it's been a game changer. The fact that it's also a backup power bank is just the icing on the cake. You can charge your phone or other devices on the go, which is a total lifesaver. And the best part, it's so easy to set up and use. Just charge it, turn it on, and you're good to go. Overall, I highly recommend the JISULIFE 3-in-1 handheld mini fan. It's a must-have for anyone who loves spending time outdoors, and it makes a great gift for friends and family too. If this helped, link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.